yung bulingon.
Right?
Kaya wala nang gawas na pod. Ang gigawas sa panasin ka kung kaganan mo rin.
Gamay naman itong kuha, di ba?
Gamay ra.
Tingin mo naman na ito. Ayan. Tako lang kayo guys. Try na muna kayo guys.
Hindi naman siya makakita sa kalitaan.
Makita ko na guys. Ayan. Si Jomana, si Dana, Miguel of shout out. Alam, day. Nagka-live ka, day?
Oo.
Sorry, good ka na tumba.
Mauwi ko.
Kung kanang ano siya, parang labo siya ba matigas.
Pwede siya likod.
Ayan siya guys.
Praise.
Mamaya guys, magluto ko ng pansit sa kanila. Gusto din niya mo yung pansit, pero maraming ingredients yung pansit nila guys.
Iba sa atin.
I-marinate ko pa yung manok sa mga ingredients niya bago ko siya piprutuin.
Ganit ka na sila pansit.
Tapos yung pansit nila guys, anuin ko na, pakuluan ko lang siya ng tubig. Pakuluan ko lang siya ng tubig. Pagkulo ng tubig, ilapuan ko lang siya ng yung ano. Hello, my friend Kim Than Hoc. Kissy. Hello, Miguel Love. Shout out. Shout out. How are you, my friend? Thank you for coming my live, my friend. How's your channel, my friend? Yan. Yan. You're welcome also, Kim. Thank you for coming my life always. As you have no busy, if you have time to go to my channel, my life is like hour like this every day. If I have time, every day I will have live. Even 1 hour, 2 hours like that. So now we have 40 minutes. So if I'm busy, I will end my life. So later I will come back to your house, okay? Yeah. Now my co-workers also, it's slicing a big watermelon.
Hi, may watermelon. Shout out.
Yeah, shout
Thank
out
you for
everyone.
watching.
Yeah, it's half. The other one, it's finished. So the other half, we slice again, cubes for the kids. Thank you to Sir Kim, and you're welcome to connect them all. Connect the friend, our friend, connect because they are also. They're so supporting also, supporters or supporting if they go to your link and then you put a comment. Lain na nga tuwa niya.
Kanina.
20%! Ang lubat! Guys, sige na ito watermelon.
May pagnangani agi na po na.
It's very sweet and cold.
Very yummy.
Because this is the pila ni kadlon eh? 2 days. It's very sweet and you know, had sugar, sweetener.
Watermelon sa malamig na panahon.
You know this fruit? Beetroot? Like for the salad. Si Chrissy, salamat, nandyan ka pala. Kain tayo ng watermelon, Sisi. Chrissy. Ang sarap ng malamig. Matamis siya.